We're excited to announce the newest addition to the BD Diesel Screamer Turbo lineup, the Duramax LB7 Screamer Turbo. I've got all the juicy details coming at you. Stay tuned. The drop-in, stock-appearing Screamer Turbo line from BD Diesel has a long reputation of performance and dependability. With the newest expansion to the LB7 Duramax, we're able to bring the signature Screamer Turbo to new heights. Equipped with a new 64mm mixed flow turbine wheel, our LB7 Screamer offers increased turbine flow and efficiency. We've combined that with a 63mm billet compressor wheel. You'll experience more boost, lower drive pressure, and decrease your peak EGTs. We preset the turbo at 32 psi boost, and this is capable of 630 wheel horsepower. This is perfect for any truck with horsepower levels above stock. If you use your truck for towing, street, race, the LB7 Screamer offers you the performance you need. So we compared this on the same tune, same boost, same truck, and you can see an increase of 10 wheel horsepower, 30 degrees lower EGTs, and we dropped drive pressure by 4.5 pounds. Unleash the fury of 630 screaming banshees with the new LB7 Duramax Screamer from BD Diesel. For more information, check out our website, bddiesel.com.